How do I clear and start over in TurboTax Online? Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about clearing and starting over in TurboTax Online. So now let's get started. So if you're using the TurboTax Online, you have the option to delete your current tax return and begin anew as long as you haven't made any payments or registered your TurboTax product yet. This is a great feature if you want to make changes or if you feel like starting fresh with your tax preparation. So first, if you're not currently viewing your tax return, make sure to open it up, and now we can proceed. Once you have your return open, look for the tax tools option located in the left-hand menu where you can click on that, and you should now see the option that says clear and start over. Go ahead and select the option. You will then be prompted to confirm that you really want to clear your return. Once you confirm this action, you will be able to start fresh in TurboTax, giving you a clean slate to work with. So this was all about it. This is exactly how you can clear and start over in TurboTax Online. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.